and welcome back to The Joyful Soul Creates. Charlotte here, and it has been an extremely long time since the last time I shared a video. This is the first one this year, and I've totally forgotten how to make videos, so this one's going to be really super quick. We are doing the July Sheetload of Cards. I'm using the Simple Stories So Happy Together collection, which came in a Love from Lizi card kit. It was the October 2019 card kit. I paired this with some 12x12 coordinations cardstock to be the solid colour cardstock panels, so I did actually have to change up the Sheetload sketch sizings a bit just to make it fit better, and I really confused myself with the maths and messed it up a little. Nothing too serious, but I did have to trim things down a little bit after my initial cutting. But I didn't actually have a lot of papers left over from all of them, so that was nice. I do still have some snippets I can play with later. For half of the cards, I used the flower ephemera that came in the collection / kit, and one of the stamps from the stamp set that came with that Love from Lizi kit, which is called Home Sweet Home. All these products, by the way, will be linked in the description box as usual. They are affiliate links where possible. For the other half of the cards, because I didn't have enough flowers to do all of them the same, I decided to use more of the ephemera and make them a bit more varied. So the first 6 cards are quite similar, with all having the flowers and the sentiment that says it's been too long. And then the rest of them are just variations on a theme of kind of friendship and family and missing each other, that kind of thing, which I thought was quite appropriate for the current time with pandemic and so on, people not really seeing each other as much. Although in most places I think that is getting better now. I still can't really see my family because I live in a completely different country. But that's besides the point. So here you can see all the cards I made. There are 12 of them. If you haven't seen the sheetload of cards for this month elsewhere, which I'm sure you have, these are kind of flat, and then the panel in the middle opens to be the card, which is a bit different, a bit of a fun fold, a bit unusual. These are mini, so I think Alicia's version was 3 1/4 by 6 1/4 or something like that, and mine's more like 3 by 6. Might even be 2 3/4 by 6. Again, I don't remember exactly. I did have the sizings written down for my variations, but I ended up scrapping it because, like I said, I totally messed up the maths and trimmed them further, and in the end I have no idea what the sizings were. I could probably go and measure them, but to be honest, you're more likely to want to just follow Alicia's instructions, and I will link to her original video in the description box. That's the end of my very fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. Not sure you would have learnt much, but hey, I'm back. I'm going to try and post every week, so I hope you will visit me again next week. I might post sooner, I might not. We'll see how things go. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!